Want to know how to report someone for inappropriate contents or report a post in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application. So once you have opened it up, here you should be seeing various posts right here. So you can just simply select the username or the avatar of the post that you want to view more with. Just simply select it. So on the top right side right here, you should be seeing this three dot icon. Just simply select this three dotted icon right here, and here you should be seeing report. Just simply select it. And now was the FFA report. Here you can see what are you reporting this profile for. So you can just simply select most of these activities right here, and you can just simply select any one of these, and their content or the profiles will be reported. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily report someone in Playsee. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.